Bonjour, from the refugee camps of eastern Chad. My name's Joshua Tree, and I want to win your assistant for your program. So why should you pick me? Because by doing so, you're going to help me change the world. Now, keep in mind, I'm going to do this anyway. But with your assistant as a catalyst, I'm going to do it so much faster, and you're going to get an amazing story of how someone who follows the 4-hour workweek system perfectly can revolutionize the mortgage industry, save thousands of American citizens from the current real estate crisis, and builds a school in Africa. Now, about 2 months ago, I lost my company, one of the most revolutionary mortgage planning firms in the country, and along with it, my executive assistant. So with yours as a replacement, you're going to take my baby, MortgagePlanningSavesAmerica.com, and www.abundantnews.tv, which tells the story of my nonprofit, World Abundance, to the rest of the world. So I look forward to changing the world with Elance, and for hearing from you soon.